By now, everyone knows I'm not very good at intros. How did we land up in Disneyland? It all started when Tokyo Disneyland released some pictures of Fantasy Springs and Tangle looked amazing. So Dina and I were discussing and we were like, we have to visit Fantasy Springs. We have to be in Tokyo Disneyland this year somehow. And I did what one sane person would do. I went to my dad and I said that we are going to Tokyo Disneyland. So we planned our trip a month later after the opening of Fantasy Springs so that the crowds would mellow down. But we still made the most of it. I hope you enjoy the vlog.
Good morning, it's Disneyland Day!
First day at Disney in Japan, in Tokyo.
This is all that I got. This is stir fry, vegetables, croissant, hash browns, Japanese omelette, stir fry, noodles, sausage, some boiled dumplings, and I'm not sure what that is, but that will be tasty. My brother got the omelette though. So nice! We have decided to walk down and get to the bus station. From bus station, we're going to get the monorail to Disneyland. As of now, the entrance was there and we are walking down here. Are you excited?
Yeah, of course.
That's all. Why do I have this question only for you? And why do you have the same answer?
Because you're getting me to travel so many places all the time, so I'm always excited. It feels like this only.
This is the hotel we're staying in. So now we have reached the station from where we're going to board. You can see the queue and the entrance for Tokyo Disney Sea Fantasy Springs. We got our monorail passes and we're gonna scan in. Yay! Our monorail is here. I'm so excited that I'm going to visit the first park ever. Look at the Mickey Mouse windows. It's so cute. Can you hear the sound, the music? Tangle. Look at the crowd. This is on a Monday, and while the Fantasy Springs is open and everyone on the monorail left for Disney Sea. Yet, this is how Disneyland looks right now. This is insane. We arrived to our destination. Kind of really annoyed standing in the line. It's too hot. finally started moving a little. Pro tip, carry a fan or an umbrella. If you are traveling in June, July, August, I think. Look at that sweat. I had added my ticket on my app and we bought the tickets from Klook. We're just ready with our ticket because we don't want to like stop the line. Then we've been standing in the line for half an hour, 45 minutes.
So the tickets cost around 4,000 to 6,000 rupees, $40 to $60 in USD. This varies from month to month, days to days, and week to week. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. It depends. Actually, it really depends on the festivals and the things that's going around, and also the time of booking that you're doing. In Tokyo Disney Resort, they have this thing where they open up the tickets 3 months prior. For example, if you want to book for July, I did all my bookings in May. Then what I did was I took my tickets from Klook and then I added in my Tokyo Disney Resort app because it's easier in that sense to scan in and get into the park. Plus, you can also group your tickets together. For example, if you're traveling with your friends or your family, you're able to group it all together. And then when you are booking anything, let's say 40-year anniversary pass, DPI, which is Disney Premier Access, or if you are trying to get into Fantasy Springs, it's easier this way where you will be able to select all the tickets together and then you can book it. Also for mobile ordering, it's just easier. And in Tokyo Disney Resort, they have a thing where they are giving out some merchandise only based on tickets, so it's easier to just like book it and say that there are 4 people or 5 people together, so you can get those merch for 5 people together.
My dad has left us. He has abandoned us for the line. Entered the park. Oh, the castle! It's bigger! It's bigger than the Disneyland Paris castle. I want to visit all these gift shops. Ice cream cones. The castle is so huge. We are doing our first ride, which is Pirates of the Caribbean. We have obtained a 40-year anniversary pass. 40-year anniversary pass for Pooh's Honey Hunt at 10:05. I don't know if you can see my screen because it's too bright. So as of now, we're gonna go to that ride. Then we'll do Beauty and the Beast. Oh, look at that waffles. Pirates of the Caribbean to ye. I think that's a restaurant. Now we're going to the Enchanted Tale of Beauty and the Beast first, because Pirates is not working. It's temporarily closed as of now. No, but we'll go to Pooh is nearby it, no?
Are you sure?
I think. I want to go closer a little to get a nice view of the castle. I'll say it's big, but I love Disneyland Paris's castle. I shouldn't draw comparisons, but yeah. It's better to get yourself lost in the park and not follow the map and just walk through and look at things which you might find interesting and then just get in. Because honestly, I'm not able to figure out anything. so nice. Easy. Bye. वो Z पे मार वो वहाँ देखो ना जहाँ लाइट जल रही है रेड रेड ये उसका 100,000 है. This was fun. I lost though. I really don't know how to play this though. I just enjoy. Bye bye. There are really nice pins as well. I don't collect pins, but then for the people who do. Just walking around. Oh look! It's like a storybook. For someone who used to blog about stories and books, it's sad that I'm not reading it at all. Thank you. This is so cute. Daddy, what did you think of the ride?
Sorry?
What did you think of the ride? I think it's one of the best. Maybe, but then we'll have to see Beauty and the Beast. Mama, what did you think? क्योंकि आपको तो rides पसंद नहीं है ज़्यादा.
डर लग रहा था और मैंने पापा का हाथ पकड़ लिया मुझसे.
Next up, we're going to Small World. This is a complete different vibe from Disneyland Paris.
フラッシュ撮影のご遠慮ください。Welcome to Small World Station.
Angelino, something, something. La 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 la. La 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 la. There's Olaf. Rapunzel. And we're done. Toontown. Toontown is mostly for the kids. It's so cute though. Look at that. This is so sweet. There's Toontown behind and there's Mickey Mouse here. So almost like everywhere you look, you will find something new to look at, stare at, and then want to take pictures of it. Chip and Dale Tree House. We're doing a kiddie ride now, yes. Look at that. The kiddie ride. I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this. यार मर गई मैं. Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? इतना भी कुछ डरावना नहीं था. The thing is that I've not met any characters since morning and it's bothering me a little, even though we've just been like walking around. We've been doing all the different rides because we're getting the 40-year anniversary pass every now and then. We just go hopping from one place to another. But it's too hot, which is one thing I don't like at all. And Dad, taking a little break here to tell you a little more about 40-year anniversary pass and Disney Premier Access. Disney Premier Access is like where you pay a little more money to cut the lines and then you go directly to the ride. 40-year anniversary pass is also similar to Disney Premier Access. It's free. Most of the rides you can get 40-year anniversary pass. For Disney Premier Access, there are some limited rides which have long wait hours. If you are not interested in the parades or the nighttime show, then you can actually go on these rides that time because a lot of people are actually waiting for the parades and a lot of crowd goes there. So yeah, back to the vlog. Going to do the Thunder Mountain now. Thunder Mountain really gives us the nice views of the park. So I'm excited about that, and I'm hoping that I'm able to shoot it because it's too fast. Please don't throw us down. I don't like drops. Don't throw us down. Please throw us down.
Yes, it
How is it like sleep? I want to sleep. So how did you like the ride, Dad? Again, I always like asking you these questions.
It was shaky.
It was shaky. I feel like Paris wala was much better. What I was talking about was that I think Thunder Mountain in Paris is much better than the one that we just did. So I hope I can take you soon there and make you experience that. I think next ride we're doing Haunted Mansion. I'm gonna walk and walk in this heat. Every time we enter something like this, it's just nice because it's cooler and calmer and the air conditioning is working. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's gone! It's gone! There's a person standing there. Papa, hold my hand or my bag. It's so cute. I am mortal. Rust in peace. Harry after. Going for Star Tours. I know.
We'll get that.
Mochi. I wish we had come down here in some cooler time because the heat is slowing us down. Or at least me. Please do not accept from any unknown life forms. Okay, sir.
の全パイロットは目的地まで低速通りに運行するようプログラムされています。
快適な旅途をお楽しみください。
さようなら。
It's so cute.
Now ready to begin pre-boarding for flight 6017 non-stop service to Coruscant.
I think it's communicating with the droid.
बिल्डिंग का होल स्टोरी लाइन दैट वी आर बोर्डिंग अ प्लेन एंड वहाँ पे अटैक होने वाला है हमारे ऊपर अब।
I know. The only thing is that we can't understand it because it's in Japanese. We're going to the security at the moment.
इवन दो कल लेंगे टाइम पे बहुत है हमारे पास।
Hey! Wow, that's so cute. It's giving that storyline that it is our bags. Those are our bags.
中身は何だ？コンピューター。
Yeah, someone's leg. What is it saying?
7つの提携で指名手配中。うわぁ、僕も指名手配されちゃうね。このカバンを
Because it's someone's. He figured out the map.
そうです。間を詰めて。
Going in.
入れるように定められています。安全ベルトは座席右側から引き出し、左側のバックルに音がするまでしっかりと差し込んでください。安全のためフライト中は決して立ち上がらず、小さなお子様から目を離さないで
The
くだ
fact
さい。
that the aliens are the ones who are
For
taking
your
care
safety,
of us
remain
and
seated
showing
throughout
us
your flight with
security
your restraints
and
securely
safety.
fastened. And please watch your children.
Okay, this ride was actually really good. What's the wait and what's the all the standing around? But I actually wish if it was a little more cooler so that I would have enjoyed the space because now I'm tired. Anyway, I think we're gonna take a break now. We're gonna have lunch and then we have our priority or Disney Premier access for Beauty and the Beast. So that'll be fun. And that's mochi. The relief after the hot day, the worst hot day. I honestly got this french fries for myself because it's too hot. Dad got some plant-based meal. My sister also got some french fries for herself. And my brother got some. What is that?
चिकन एंड चीज टेंडर्स।
Chicken and cheese tenders and salad. Now we are off to the best ride ever in this park.
Beauty and the Beast.
Correct. And it's too hot.
The potato face maybe do now.
Guys, tell her that she doesn't look like a potato.
I look like a potato.
No, you don't look like a potato. You're eating potato, but you don't look like a potato. You're a beautiful, pretty girl.
Beautiful, pretty potato.
I'm gonna send it to your husband and ask him if you look like a potato.
He'll ask me not to eat the potato.
Oh my god. That's Gaston. Can you take a picture of Gaston? The most handsome man in this land. And now we're going to do the Tale of Enchanted Tale of Beauty and the Beast. That spells Gaston. Oh.
昔々遠い国の輝くお城に若い王子様が住んでいました。
He had a lot of like ego that he's very pretty and very good looking, so she took that away from him. and said till the rose dies, you have time to find yourself true love. Yes.
王子様は謝ろうとしましたが狂犬でした。魔女は罰として王子様を恐ろしい野獣の姿に変え、お城に強力な魔法をかけました。
I don't know if you can see Beast there. And there's Belle.
どなたかいらっしゃる。
She's looking for her dad.
あなた誰なの？
この城の主人だ。
顔を見せて。
It was a brilliant ride. I think it surprised my sister the most. My mom was like, okay, yeah, whatever. But then everyone else was like, whoa. Loved it. Now we're waiting for Baymax to cool us down because it's so freaking hot. My brother says it's a good concept because Say it. Don't give me side eye. Gauridi. Gauridi. He's ignoring me.
Your health companion.
He's aha. As soon as I start shooting the stop. देखिए और
वाटरप्रूफ है?
यस नहीं भी है तो क्या करूँ सेंडिंग इट बैक ट्रू हीरोज The man of the hour is here. We are here. We're gonna go spot some monsters. And we are tired and it's too hot. I think I've said that like 500 times. It's hot. Papa is not feeling any hotness. My dad and I are now waiting for the parade. Colors of Symphony parade, which will begin in half an hour. And they said the performance might be cancelled because of the weather. So I was not saying that it's hot just because I'm feeling hot. It's actually very, very hot. Though my dad still doesn't feel hot. You feel hot? He's made of steel. You're made of steel. But you're in Disney and not DC. So let it go. Let it go. Let it go. I'm actually quite disappointed. They just cancelled the parade because of how hot it is. They've also cancelled the night-time show with the fireworks. I hope I get to see the electric parade because then it'll be really disappointing to be coming to Tokyo and not being able to see any show. Like literally no show. And the people who have already paid for Premier Access, they're quite upset about it. This is pathetic. This is sad. I'm really sad about this. I was disappointed with not being able to see any show, not being able to meet any characters or feel any magic in Tokyo Disneyland only because it was summertime and nothing was working in my favor. And I was like, did I make a mistake? Did I get my family to a place where we're not able to like enjoy the magic that we felt? However, my dad was right next to me and he was like, let's just go on a ride because we had a good day. We are having a good day and we can still have a good day. Got something to eat. I feel like going back to my room. So to cool myself off, I got some ice cream. rate your day from on the scale of 1 to 10, how would it be? 7.5. You're rating it too highly, yeah. I would say 6. It was so hot. They cancelled 2 shows. Pirates of the Caribbean was not working. I couldn't meet any cast members or any characters because no one was on the street. So I couldn't really feel the magic. But the rides are good. Like Beauty and the Beast, Pooh.
Disneyland Paris was much better.
That's true.
Even though it was very cold.
I like cold.
I'm okay with both the weathers. I'm not actually okay with cold. But because even though it was cold, it was very, very, very nice.
Now that I've actually spent time and thought about how my day was at Disneyland Tokyo, I can actually give you a better review of actually how I felt and what I felt. I feel like we shouldn't have gone during summer because that kind of was like the biggest letdown for us because it was so hot. We were not able to walk around. We were not able to soak in the beauty. We were not able to interact with things. We didn't see any shows and things got cancelled, and there were not many characters in the park that we could actually meet and interact with, which was kind of like a letdown because when you see those parades you interact with characters, that adds to the magic, which is why I think that conversation with my sister was there. But I feel like if we had gone in like maybe a cooler time or maybe sometime different when things were a little different, it would have been better. What we enjoyed more in Disneyland Paris and why I drew that comparison was also because in Disneyland Paris things were very inclusive. They would speak in French and they would also speak in English, so one person can understand, or they would add subtitles for someone to actually read and understand. In Tokyo it was all Japanese, and we were just like standing there and trying to understand what is happening. So one point was that. Second obviously was the heat. Disneyland Paris is obviously the most beautiful park in the world, so it's not fair to compare Tokyo Disneyland Park to Disneyland Paris Park. However, I would say that Tokyo Disneyland has the cutest and the sweetest cast members. They are always excited and they're always like, interacting and engaging with you. And the rides are amazing. So if you are planning your trip, I would say that your first priority should be planning it around in spring or maybe during winter. And if you are okay with the heat or you're okay with summer, then you can also plan around the way we did in July or August or in June. I think it was like a good experience and I would like to go back and experience the things that I was not able to. I also wanted to go inside the castle completely and enjoy certain things which I was not able to because of the long wait times. And with that, I would like to end the vlog. Thank you for watching.